In the Singer Promise accessory pack supplied with your Singer Promise sewing machine, you will find that you have a seam guide. These can be super useful if you are wanting to sew thicker seams than what the seam guide on your machine provides, or if you are doing quilting projects. To insert your seam guide, all you need to do is go to the back of your machine, and here under the black clip you will see a hole, and we are going to simply push the seam guide through the hole to come out the other side. You will notice that when you're pushing it there is quite a bit of tension, but that's what you want, because when you're sewing you don't want it to move away from the position that you've set it to. To use the seam guide, measure the distance you want from your sewing needle to the width of the seam that you are sewing. Place the material under your sewing foot and sew your line. If you are doing a quilting project and you want to get the same width space in between your lines, you now line up your sewn line with your seam guide, and then you can start to sew again and you will have the perfect width every time. Using the seam guide now, you can carry on with any of your projects knowing that each of your lines will have the same space in between them. I hope you found my tutorial helpful on how to use the seam guide. If you are finding my tutorials helpful, then please check out my other videos in my Singer Promise playlist, which is listed in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.